The footage shows the moment a steel coil carrier frame suspended by a crane suddenly breaks and falls to the ground. At that moment, some workers are passing directly underneath the load. The failure occurs without warning, creating an extremely dangerous situation within seconds. This incident demonstrates how unpredictable and dangerous suspended loads can be. No one should ever pass beneath a suspended load, and the drop zone must be completely cleared. Two workers are preparing to unload cargo when one begins to detach the metal railings, unaware his teammate is standing on one. The moment it comes loose, the worker on the left loses his footing and falls. A worker tries to use a forklift's forks as a platform. Do not use forklifts for elevated work. Their forks are not a stable platform, and attempting to work from them can easily result in a fall. The footage shows a routine installation operation where a large and heavy concrete panel is being lifted by a tower crane. While the load is suspended, the panel's center of gravity does not behave as expected, and the rigging system loses balance. As the concrete panel shifts sideways, the crane boom is subjected to a sudden load transfer. This instability increases within seconds, and the tower crane loses control and collapses together with the load. The incident develops very quickly, and workers on site try to evacuate the area rapidly. This incident shows how critical capacity and stability rules are in crane operations. Pre-lift calculations must be performed. Stabilizers must be correctly positioned, and the area must be cleared. For large loads, all movements should be directed by a single signaler. The footage shows a worker welding metal rods inside a factory. During the work, sparks are thrown upward. However, unnoticed, flammable materials are located directly above the welding area. Heat and sparks quickly ignite these materials. The flames grow rapidly, and within seconds, the situation becomes difficult to control. Although attempts are made to intervene, the fire spreads to surrounding areas. This incident shows how much attention hot work requires. Flammable materials must be removed before work begins. Fire extinguishers must be readily available, and a fire watch should be assigned whenever possible. A small oversight can turn into a major fire. The footage shows a cut pipe section stuck in place during a task. A worker trying to remove the piece grips a hammer with both hands and strikes repeatedly. To apply more force, the worker leans forward while everyone's attention is focused solely on the jammed part. When the piece suddenly comes free, this unexpected release causes the worker to lose balance. During dismantling, a stable and safe stance must be maintained. This footage shows the collapse of an amusement park ride called 360 Big Pendulum that occurred in Taif, Saudi Arabia at the end of July 2025. This accident serves as a grim reminder of the absolute necessity for rigorous and consistent equipment inspection and maintenance. The footage shows inspection and repair work being carried out on a pressurized system in an enclosed area. After some time, dense smoke begins to leak from inside, but the seriousness of the situation is not fully understood. Then one of the workers opens the door. The moment the doors open, the pressure that is built up inside is released uncontrollably, causing a very powerful explosion. Dust and smoke fill the entire area within seconds, catching nearby workers off guard. This incident highlights how dangerous interventions on pressurized systems can be. Covers must never be opened before pressure is fully relieved and atmospheric measurements are taken. The rule is clear: in pressurized systems, there is no rushing. First depressurize, then intervene. The footage shows a person climbing a ladder that is leaning against a wall. Another person is holding the bottom to provide support. However, the ladder is placed on a slippery ceramic floor and lacks sufficient grip at its base. Everything appears routine until the person steps upward. With that step, the base of the ladder suddenly slips and a simple task instantly turns into a serious risk. The incident clearly shows how decisive ground conditions are in ladder safety. Ladders must be placed on solid, non-slip surfaces and secured at the base if necessary. Correct angle and stable footing prevent slipping. Remember, ladder risks often start at the bottom. The footage shows a dangerous close encounter between a worker and a front-end loader operating in the same area. As the operator maneuvers after filling the bucket with sand, the bucket swings toward the pedestrian worker, and the load is dumped onto a pile of sand. The incident unfolds within seconds, and the worker's position falls within the machine's natural movement zone. This situation demonstrates how dangerous it can be for pedestrians and heavy machinery to operate in the same area. Loaders must never operate when anyone is within their movement or swing radius. Hazard zones should be clearly marked, and spotters and warning systems should be used during maneuvers. The footage shows a worker climbing onto a temporary improvised structure to reach the upper section of a tank. Because the support is not stable, the worker quickly loses balance and faces a serious risk of falling. This incident highlights how critical the use of proper equipment is when working at height. Work at height must only be carried out on solid, approved, and guardrail platforms or scaffolding. Improvised solutions pose major risks. In an urban area, a surveillance camera captured a striking moment involving a municipal waste truck and a bystander. The footage shows a man climbing onto the side of the truck while it was in motion. At the same time, the vehicle began to lean significantly to one side, nearly tipping over due to the shift in weight and the unstable position of the individual on the vehicle. Operators of heavy trucks and municipal equipment must always maintain safe driving practices and be aware of their load. Two workers on a flatbed get distracted by the passing forklift, unaware the marble slabs are tilting. By the time they notice, it's too late and the slabs collapse. Never lose focus in a high-risk environment. Heavy materials like marble should always be secured properly, and workers must stay aware of their surroundings at all times. This video shows an incident where a heavy metal piece falls after being accidentally moved by a hoist hook. This is a critical reminder that you must always stand to the side and out of the fall path. An unsecured heavy load like this is a severe hazard, and by the time it begins to tilt, it is often too late to get out of the way. Fortunately, the piece was hollow from the inside, which created enough space for the worker underneath it, and he was not hurt. In China, a heavy truck carrying an excessive load overturned while traveling on a regional roadway. The vehicle, which exceeded its recommended weight capacity, lost stability while negotiating a curve, causing it to tip onto its side. The driver was reported injured during the incident. This incident underscores the critical importance of adhering to vehicle weight limits and proper load distribution. Operators must ensure that trucks are not overloaded and that cargo is secured according to legal and manufacturer guidelines. Regular vehicle inspections, adherence to traffic regulations, and careful attention when navigating curves or uneven terrain can prevent loss of control and reduce the risk of rollovers. This footage serves as a critical warning about improper container handling in a high-risk environment. Before any move, conduct a thorough visual inspection to ensure all locks are disengaged and the container does not support in any way an adjacent unit, like we can see in this video. Before any transfer or dispensing of flammable liquids, the vehicle must be bonded and grounded. You need to use a dedicated grounding clamp or cable to connect the vehicle's frame to a ground rod or approved grounding point. This creates a safe path for any static electricity to dissipate harmlessly. Fortunately, no person was hurt, but material damage was substantial. This video serves as a crucial lesson about the most fundamental rule of machine safety. Never put your hands into an active machine. Always use a dedicated long-handled tool to feed material into a machine like this one. The correct practice is to use a tamper or a long paddle specifically designed to keep your hands and body at a safe distance. In this video, we see a worker reaching into an injection molding machine while it's still active. There was no interlock on the safety gate, or it had been bypassed, allowing the machine to operate with the panel open. Never walk on a moving conveyor belt to retrieve packages or clear a jam. The gap between two belts is a major pinch point that can lead to severe injury. If an item needs to be retrieved from the belt, first shut down the system and follow proper lockout-tagout procedures.